The United States has passed a grim milestone, namely 10 million coronavirus cases. But there is a ray of hope. The country's pharmaceutical giant Pfizer has announced that its COVID vaccine has proven 90% effective in trials. The President Donald Trump, though, suspicious about the timing of that announcement.
As I have long said, Pfizer and the others would only announce a vaccine after the election because they didn't have the courage to do it before. Likewise, the FDA should have announced it earlier, not for political purposes, but for saving lives.
The company's CEO, however, has rebuffed that, saying that the announcement had nothing to do with politics. The vaccine itself is being developed together with German drug maker BioNTech, and if all goes well, the majority of Americans will receive it in 2021. Ahead of the election, the prospect of a jab was used to score political points.
We will mass distribute the vaccine in just a few short weeks. It will quickly eradicate the virus and wipe out the China plague once and for all.
If the doctors tell us that we should take it, I'll be the first in line to take it. Absolutely. But if Donald Trump tells us that we should take it, I'm not taking it.
We heard from Dr. John Dombrowski, who's the director of the Washington Pain Center. He says that governments should stop the political games and focus on educating people about vaccines.
The COVID-19 pandemic, at least in the United States, has been a political football. Anything to hurt Donald Trump and the economy, they will play up. And the other side is the same way. So I think it's very scary that we're here. We're seeing this tremendous and tragic intersection between politics and science, which is not the way to move forward. We can't make, at least in the United States, 330 million vaccines right now. I mean, just impossible. So we as physicians always do triage. Take care of the sickest patients first and worry about others. So people who are sick, elderly, multiple medical problems, they should get the vaccination first. And we need to educate people. What we've done now is politicized, and we need to take down the temperature and explain people this is like a flu vaccine. It's healthy for you. To people who are younger and healthy, some people don't get flu vaccines and they do just fine because we're finding out if you catch the coronavirus, they do well. So we should protect the weakest and sickest among our population first.